Past perfect. Welcome to our video on the past perfect verb tense in English. The past perfect is a verb tense that is used to talk about actions or events that were completed before a specific point in the past. In this video, we will be covering the basic structure of past perfect sentences, the use of auxiliary verbs, and the difference between the past perfect and the simple past. The basic structure of a past perfect sentence is as follows: subject plus auxiliary verb had plus past participle of the main verb. For example, I had eaten breakfast before I left. Or he had finished his work before he went home. It's important to note that the auxiliary verb had is used with all subjects, singular and plural. Additionally, the past participle of the main verb is formed by adding ed for regular verbs and by changing the verb for irregular verbs like in I had seen or she had lived in that city for 10 years. The past perfect is used to talk about actions or events that were completed before a specific point in the past. For example, I had finished my homework before the movie started. Or they had been traveling for 3 weeks before they reached their destination. It's also used to describe a sequence of events in the past, like I had been studying for an hour when my friend called me. Or he had been working on the project for a month before he realized he had made a mistake. It's important to note that the past perfect is not used to describe actions or events in the same time, or that we use the simple past. Conclusion. In conclusion, the past perfect is a verb tense that is used to talk about actions or events that were completed before a specific point in the past. Remember to use the auxiliary verb had with all subjects, and to form the past participle of the main verb. Practice using the past perfect in your speaking and writing, and you'll be an expert in no time.